Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Makan Sehat Diabetes, the channel where we share useful tips and natural remedies to help you manage diabetes and live a healthier, happier life. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the top 3 best drinks that can naturally help lower blood sugar levels. These are simple, easy-to-make drinks you can prepare right at home, and they're especially beneficial for people living with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. If you or someone you love has been struggling with unstable blood sugar, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end because these drinks could make a real difference in your daily blood sugar management. So let's get started. Drink number 1, cinnamon tea. The first drink on our list is cinnamon tea, a warm, comforting drink with surprising blood sugar lowering benefits. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but modern research has also confirmed its effectiveness in lowering blood sugar. It contains bioactive compounds that mimic insulin and help increase glucose uptake by your cells. Cinnamon also slows down the digestion of carbohydrates in the intestines, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. Several studies have shown that people with type 2 diabetes who consume cinnamon daily experienced improvements in fasting blood sugar and even better insulin sensitivity. How to prepare cinnamon tea. Boil a cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon or 1 small cinnamon stick. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink it warm. You can enjoy this tea once or twice a day, in the morning and before bedtime. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. If you prefer a hint of flavor, a few drops of lemon juice can make it even more refreshing. Note: if you're taking blood sugar lowering medications, consult your doctor before adding cinnamon tea to your daily routine, as it may enhance the effects of the medication. Drink number 2, apple cider vinegar water. Coming in at number 2 is apple cider vinegar water, a drink that has gained a lot of attention for its powerful effect on stabilizing blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar helps slow down the digestion of starches and improves the body's sensitivity to insulin. It's particularly effective when consumed before meals, as it can reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Some studies even suggest that consuming apple cider vinegar before bedtime helps lower morning fasting blood sugar levels. How to prepare apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of warm or room temperature water. Drink it about 10 to 20 minutes before meals. If you find the taste a bit strong, you can add a squeeze of fresh lemon or a pinch of cinnamon to make it more palatable. But remember, never drink apple cider vinegar straight, as it can damage your teeth and irritate your throat. Important reminder: start with a small amount, like 1 teaspoon, to see how your body reacts and increase gradually. As always, consult your healthcare professional if you're on medication or have stomach issues. Drink number 3, green tea. And finally, let's talk about green tea, a drink famous for its antioxidant properties and numerous health benefits, especially for people with diabetes. Green tea contains powerful compounds called catechins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. It also helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 factors that often worsen diabetes-related complications like heart disease, kidney problems, and nerve damage. Some studies suggest that drinking green tea regularly can reduce fasting blood sugar and may help lower HbA1c levels, which reflect long-term blood sugar control. How to prepare green tea. Boil water and let it cool slightly, around 80 degrees Celsius, to avoid bitterness. Steep 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf green tea in a cup of water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag or strain the leaves and enjoy. You can drink green tea 2 to 3 times a day. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. If you need extra flavor, a few mint leaves or a slice of lemon can make it naturally refreshing. Pro tip: if you're sensitive to caffeine, try decaffeinated green tea or limit your intake to earlier in the day. So there you have it. 3 simple, natural drinks you can easily prepare at home to support healthy blood sugar levels. To quickly recap, cinnamon tea slows down carb digestion, improves insulin sensitivity. Apple cider vinegar water reduces post-meal blood sugar spikes, improves insulin response. Green tea packed with antioxidants, helps lower fasting blood sugar and combats inflammation. Remember, while these drinks are incredibly helpful, they should be combined with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and your prescribed medication plan for the best results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Makan Sehat Diabetes, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more helpful and practical diabetes-friendly videos like this one. Also, feel free to share this video with friends or family members who could benefit from these tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.